I'm John with WTI. Now, these earmuffs are protecting my hearing, and I love them. Now, these are super comfortable. Being a contractor and a carpenter, I need to wear earmuffs almost 7 hours a day, sometimes more. And so I really needed something that had a lot of padding, something that was really going to help protect my ears, but also be comfortable throughout the day. So far, these ISOtunes has really been amazing. I've used them now for over 2 weeks, basically wearing them 7 hours a day, sometimes up to 9 hours. I've only had to charge the battery once, so I know it says around 50 hours. I've definitely gotten 50 hours out of the battery. What's pretty cool is even if your battery does die, you can put in just regular batteries, so you always have music on the go. I love how the buttons are super easy to use, so whether you want to skip a song, up the volume, pause the music, whatever you want, it's right there, it's easy. Like I said, I use these throughout the day, and I don't get any ear or head fatigue. They're very, very comfortable. I'm very glad I have. Obviously, first and foremost, I wanted these for hearing protection, but the sound quality is quite good too. So I'm really happy with that. I'm really happy that throughout the day, I don't have to just listen to the silent kind of humming of the machines. But you're really able to listen to a podcast, music, whatever you want to really help get you through that workday. So I highly recommend these. Super comfortable, very long battery life, and I think you'll really enjoy them. I'm John with WTI, and that's my point of view.